Don't leave attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, not only, well, first and foremost, let me say this. Congratulations are in order for dancehall music on a whole. First and foremost, Vybz Kartel album drop, viewers and subscribers, and the entire music industry. Me not talk just locally, me talk about even internationally. I jump and rejoice. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel is also doing something else. The biggest album in a dancehall music. We not talk reggae and dancehall together. We are talking about dancehall music in the last 10 years. And also, the only artist to do this from behind the bars. Now, viewers and subscribers, don't feel like say reporters from Billboard did not ask Vybz Kartel about this. Now, the teacher is quoted as saying this. Many people are saying yes, Vybz Kartel is recorded in prison. But where's the proof? Only no see no producer there. Only no see no engineers that visit him himself, and the teacher no want no man visit in himself. Now, viewers and subscribers, the teacher also added, but this is Jamaica, where you don't need proof to imprison somebody, just like in a film case. There was no forensic evidence, there was no body, viewers and subscribers, there was no even eyewitness, just somebody who did see the individual and then not see him back and them say the man do it. You don't need proof. It look like in our society we need to correct that. Now, himself for the record, I am not authorized to answer such above pay grade questions. You don't have to know and ask people. You don't have to know all of these tracks were previously recorded. And me not stop say this. However, viewers and subscribers, the teacher did add his secret to dominance in dancehall music. Young artists, listen out. Him say, just like the Colonel's recipe, it's not just about the spices, which I might add, they said were given to him by a Jamaican lady. I don't know. I saw them say. No, him said the true secret to success in anything is commitment, hard work, smart work. Because I know who worked hardest, sometimes who works smartest. Him said, be someone who analyzes yourself, and most important, humility. Be humble. Him said when him get a rhythm, he not just look point that a world boss this. Him say no, him see himself as another artist. We're going to put out another artistic expression of words and beat, viewers and subscribers. He not just see himself as, I'm here the king and alright now. No, you have to remain humble. Some artists have an ego bigger than them career, viewers and subscribers. That's why they make certain statements about Vybz Kartel. Them ego bigger than them career. They see themselves as the biggest thing, and there's nothing wrong with self-confidence. You have to be committed and confident in a whatever you do. But at the same time, you have to remain humble. You see, when you're not in humility, you make statements about people. You talk certain things about the game while you are not a contributing factor in a dancehall. I mean, I talk about some artists. We don't know them, we don't call them name, we don't promote nobody. Yes, so. We don't call them name. We don't know them. The industry know them, viewers and subscribers. Rather than put out good work, the people can appreciate, where international fans and audiences across the world can say, yo, yes, this is world-class music. Them not choose to do that. You know what them choose to do? Them choose to make some chat because of them ego. At the end of the day, the proof is there. Who are the king? Who are the best? Who are dominate? We not have a guess and spell. Of course, the Vybz Kartel is viewers and subscribers. 2 full-length album projects, same year. As a matter of fact, within 6 months. We're not talking about the whole 12 months him take for drop these projects. Some artists, they are road. What them a do? What them a do? More than make some talk. I would say support the music. support musical endeavors of the game changers. You have some artists who we can accredit with this. Since their establishment in the music industry, they have done nothing but uplift the genre. Artists like Bounty, what you mean? Forerunners will inspire, motivate, elevate, and help out other artists. Artists like Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, but have done the same. Producers who have brought dancehall that, you know what I mean, that notoriety internationally. The engineers who have studied their craft, who have mixed and master the song them so that them can sound as the same type of song. When we say same, I mean sound alike, but be of the same quality as these productions made by international recording labels and, you know, recording studios. Big them up, viewers and subscribers, and support the movement. Even if your favorite artist, I talk negative, but another producer and artist, be an individual. Remember, say your artist is an artist. We are all members of the dancehall community. Their job is to go on stage, perform, go in studio, record, and, you know what I mean, tour and promote dancehall music and Jamaican culture. Our job as the audience, as the fan base, is to support what is right for us and for the music. So if an artist's statement is not good for dancehall music, and we talk about it, point it out. So watching, I'm an artist that, you know, but him say I think about Vybz Kartel what he and I not agree with that. Because when we look on the work with Vybz Kartel has done in a dancehall music, he has been instrumental in the game in establishing even some of these same artists. We are talking some negative things, and the fans of these artists were listening to music before these artists gained prominence. So talk the truth, all of them artists I want to hear we said negative things about the teacher. Who now listen Vybz Kartel before them bust, and tell the truth, when them bust, you hear similarities between them flow, lyrical content, style of delivery, cadence to Vybz Kartel music. And I can't Vybz Kartel I use for them style if him I use it first. And them I use the artist style. And the artist has never yet one day say, oh no, use my style. And no, because being the father of a generation means that people will sample your style. The amount the artists try sound like Bounty Shabba them, you name the artist them, Super Cat them. I just say it go. The dominant sound is the dominant sound, and people readily sample that. Even producers do it. Producers are the reason why in a music there is the word called sampling. Because producers time and time again continue to sample productions done by other producers and other engineers. I just saw the music industry work. Now, Vybz Kartel has no problem with these artists, you know, acknowledging say you're a dominant artist and I use a style when you're inspired by this person. It feels good for know say you inspired a next generation, but don't get yourself caught up in the mix and become one of these individuals saying, oh, the teacher this and the teacher that, and no, don't do it. Give respect to your respect are due. You have to remember, to be respected you must also be respectful to others. So you can't expect, I'm going to tell you this, there's always this difference between generations where the older generation always have it, so there's a disconnect with the younger generation. It is because of recognition. Because the younger generation feels like there's no respect given to them by the older generation. Then just start to disregard everything said or done by them. And same thing goes for the older generation. Because the younger generation are getting noticed and, you know what I mean? So as we said, some of them are not respectful of those before them. The older generation decides, yo, everything with them do, we're going to just discredit it. And also the game work, you have to be respectful. And we have to say this, Vybz Kartel as an artist and as an individual is the only artist who has bridged the generational gap. Who is now considered one of the established names in the game. Who still work and help out artists who are on the rise, aspiring, or just a forward up in the game. Very few artists will take this initiative. Especially on a big album project like this. If you go feature a new artist, some people now do it. Some people, if you as the next artist being featured on a song on my album, some artists now do it unless you have an album out already, unless you have some form of Grammy too, you have some gold plaque too, otherwise them now work with you. The teacher shows a talent viewers and subscribers. as something you can see, and it is in not just established artists but also aspiring and young artists as well. And you have to showcase that talent. Where dancehall go? Where's dancehall going? You have to see the crop of new artists we have found up to know where dancehall go. Them man need guidance. Who go guide them? Some people only link up the youth them and them realize them can gain $1 from them. The teacher actually have put money in the youth them pocket. Vice the one called Jayden, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you know if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, you're just a pass through. But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon. And drop a like on the blog, drop a share on the blog, tell a friend, to tell them sister and them brother, but check out channel, check out the reason during discussion. Comment section open 24/7, never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. You man now move settings fam. And we don't need no ladder and mind sentiments for you and yours. I want to live, love and prosper until the reason again.